fasting, peace, depression, and anxiety. Those demons work for me. So a lot of people get depressed and they got anxiety and they don't know what to do. And anxiety is a sign from God that you need to take action, that you need to start moving, that you need to do something. You need to go and use the energy. Depression and anxiety are energy that you need to use to go and move on and do what you're supposed to do. So sometimes I get depressed, sometimes I get anxiety, but the mission is the same, to get up in the morning and be valuable enough to start making money, be valuable enough to be a better person, to be the best version of myself. That is the goal. So it doesn't matter if I'm sad, if I'm depressed, if I got anxiety, I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna get up 10 times stronger because I am the fasting beast.